Do you guys wanted to sync and control all your RGB gaming accessories directly from Windows without using any kind of bloated third-party application or software? Here is how you can enable and customize dynamic lighting in Windows 11. At least I can show you that how you can do that. All right, go to your Windows setting by clicking right on Windows icon and go to setting, and from here click on personalization and then go to dynamic lighting. And as you guys can see right here, no dynamic lighting compatible devices detected. It's because my devices, I'm not using any kind of compatible right now. Yeah, if you guys have the compatible device, you should be able to see this screen. As you guys can see, you can simply toggle that on and you can play and tweak the setting around. Like you can see, you can control the background light control as well, and you can also change the brightness of your light by sliding down or sliding up. All right, especially if you like those breathing and tail effect, you can pick from here. If you don't know if your device is compatible, you can just Google it out. Especially if you guys have Logitech and Razer, Asus ROG, or HP HyperX, then you should probably have the compatible device, because this is the ecosystem, you know, like these are supported by Windows 11 itself. Yeah, this is how you can enable the dynamic lighting and you can toggle that on or off. All right, so yeah, if this video helps you out, drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you think this was useful. See you guys in the next one. Peace.